Students and teachers of Thambalnu Memorial Higher Secondary School at Yairipok Top Chingtha staged a sit-in against the killing of students Hijam Linthoingambi and Phijam Hemanjit allegedly by kuki terrorists and use of excessive force on students by Central Force and State Police during protests yesterday. Taking part in the sit-in held at Top Chingtha Pukri Achoba Mapal Community Hall, a girl student demanded justice for Hemanjit and Linthoingambi. Expressing condemnation at police atrocities on students during protest against the death of the two innocent adolescents, she said a student of Thambalnu Memorial Higher Secondary School named Loitongbam Kisham is currently undergoing treatment at Shiza hospitals after he was fired upon by security forces at point blank, while many others were injured. Warning that the protest will only intensify if the voices of the students are not heard. She drew the attention of the authorities concerned to look into the same. Various placards were displayed and slogans were chanted during the protest.
Linthoingambi amadi Hemanjit ki misi asigi matang asida yaningde piendaba kaya phondokuna peace rally ama chachaba duda koigi Central Force State Force na leirakhiba yamna ka henba minungshi amata yaudabagi thouwong adugu yaningde phondokuna chinjabani thaudo aduda koigi school asidagi tamniba koigi brother Kishan hoji masida hospital da yamna arugo phibamna laikana duda leiri asugumna tonga mafamda chatra sing kaya ama sokuna panna leibaniba masida akoina asum yengduna leibagi mathau tade akoina chatra chatri ama oina akoi ihai tambagi akoida phangiba ha aje akoi manghanba chak aneiba kariginoba chatra chatri sing oiba akoida onjanduna akoida soalibagi mathau sida tade haina khale amasung Linthoingambi ki